ver, traes un bote de soda.
Queda muy lejos para nosotros para ampliar.
¿Sabes qué? Traes unos panes de dulces. Ah, pan dulce. No, traes una soda. Vamos a ver, traes una soda, pan dulce y unas dos a tres sabritas, grandes. Ya grandes, ¿eh? Pero que están, las sodas que están frías, pues. Que están frías las sodas. Sí, porque no, caliente no, pues. Estamos, hace calor y... ¿Es una pitcher?
Sí. See, they just reach around the vine. They don't just get in front of them. They get around. They fill those containers up. Sometimes they got to be careful, but then they pick up the extras like they've been told to do. Sometimes they miss them a little bit, but the majority go in that bucket. They used to have those bins, 50 pounds. Then the inspectors came along one day. They got too many complaints, people hurt their backs and stuff. Plus it's easier to push. Now they're 35-pound bins. That's what these are. I think it'd be easier. I could see how it'd be easier to slide them along too. 50 pounds? Forget it. 35? Yes. Well, they work for it as a team. She slid that one over. He's going to unload that. And she's going to keep picking. That's a good way to not tire her out. I like that. Row after row. Where it stops, nobody knows. Of course, they don't just grow grapes on flat land. They grow them wherever they can. Oh. Whew. Well, since they're not taking a break, I guess I won't either.
Por favor, cuando vamos a los más pasados, usan animales. No pasan a hacer animales.
Yep, he's filling that container up all the way, picking out the leaves. Good man. I'm gonna get those tubs, those bins full. Hey.
Thank you, my friend.
High five.
¿Eh? Ahí, eso se llama Hugo.
Amigo. Uy. Oh. The ship doesn't wait for anything, let me tell you. There they go for more.
El gato por lo menos está buscando línea solito. Acuérdense.
Ya, no, yo no te tengo rato,
¿Cuánto te vas a poner tú? O estará con los dos, ustedes no han confiado. Ustedes no han confiado, güey.
That's it. Pick up the ones they dropped. Good man. That's profits down the toilet if you don't do that. Hey, when you say gondola, that's what that little cart's called, right?
Yeah.
Gondola?
Yeah, it's a gondola.
And how many of those do you fill up a day?
Today I have a 10, 20.
20 of those?
Yeah.
For total for all the crews or just for your crew?
No, all the groups.
Okay. Wow.
Probably 20, 26 tons,
Uh-huh.
20 gondolas.
Yeah. All right. Now see, that's just the two crews he's kind of overseeing. I think there's 4 or 5. So I was talking to Victor, he said the average, well, maybe on a really good day, over 100 tons, 110. He said one day they picked, you know, all of his crews together. It was a long, arduous day, let me tell you. Apparently, 150 tons in one day they did. That's amazing.
¿Cómo? Fue yo le llené.
Cállate, güey, que hicieron entre los dos, yo lo tiré. ¡Gato!
Hay que otros racimos, perro.
Aquí la vaciaron encima.
I hope they're keeping it clean. These guys are making work look like fun. I just want to get in there and help them if I knew how. But you keep the morale up, and you'll have happier workers result into mega profits. Yes, it does. Hey, whatever you're doing today, I hope you're making it a great day. I am. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.